Welcome to my Anabolic kitchen. How are you today? Today we're going to be making anabolic waffles. Obviously you just need a waffle maker and our leftover batter from the last video. If you don't know what we had for the last video, we made anabolic French toast, and the batter for that will make delicious, delicious waffles. So I'm waiting for it to finish up. And if you want to make it a little more thicker consistency than what we had yesterday, then just add some oats and some protein powder, and that should do the trick. So I think it's going to be done in a couple minutes, and I'm going to flip it and show you guys how it looks. By the way, the recipe will be down in the description, and this actually has less calories than the other French toast, so if you want to try this out, it will be good. Now I'll give you my honest opinion no matter what, I promise. You can trust me. So if it's a little dry, I'll tell you. So there they are. Oh my goodness, if that is not the perfect waffle. Wow. Like, this right here was okay, but this, oh my gosh, it's like so soft. So this one was an 8 out of 10, so let's see what that one is. Oh, look at how different that one looks. It's so much thicker, too. Let's just kind of rip this in half and, oh! That right there is a waffle. Here's the thing, you can still have delicious waffles like these and just not feel guilty. So, okay, 1, 2, I'm gonna be dead honest right here. These are so much better than these ones. I heard them a little less longer than I would. Oh my goodness. These are so good. I'm gonna finish these up, and the total macros I think are like 400 calories for both of these. So really good. Volume to calorie ratio. There's like 60 grams of protein in these. Oh my goodness. It was gonna be my pre-workout meal, so see you guys later. Have a great day.